This quick and easy deep-fried spinach chips recipe requires only 3 ingredients to make. The fresh spinach are crispy fried to perfection in peanut oil and seasoned well with sea salt. Pour the peanut oil in a frying pan and preheat for 5 to 10 minutes. Add in the baby spinach, drying them as much as possible before frying. Flip to fry both sides. Cook for 30 seconds until they are curled up and wrinkled. Scoop it out of the oil, then drain onto paper towels. Sprinkle it with sea salt before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.